There is no limit to inquisitive mind and perfection of knowledge. The Infinite Science program focuses on the latest scientific achievements, new developments and unique discoveries by Kazakh scientists. Infinite Science is an opportunity to see the future of science.
A young scientist from Israel has developed a mini power generator. The peculiarity of this invention is that the device connects to the human vein. The mechanism generates energy from the body's blood pressure, enough so as to charge a mobile phone. Hello, my name is Yerkebulanbek Muhanbet, and you're watching Infinite Science. In today's program, phytoplankton plus cytometry. Fast and accurate assessment of the environmental situation. Universal reactive agents for enriching ore. Methods for preserving kumis from Zulkharnay Seitov. For environmental assessment, scientists often use biological markers. Such markers are representatives of the local flora and fauna. Their study and analysis can provide quite objective and comprehensive information about the state of the environment. Modern science has a wide arsenal of powerful instruments. Thanks to them, laborious research studies that involve processing of a large amount of information can be done in a faster and more efficient manner. That is why the laboratory at the Nazarbayev University is being equipped with the latest technical equipment. This includes a high-powered device, a flow cytometer. It allows to study and analyze separately a single cell in a dispersion medium. For this, with the use of 2 laser beams, fluorescent signals received from each single cell are registered. There is a function which is called digital focusing. It allows us to look at very small particles or cell. This is a very sensitive equipment. The higher the number of laser beams, the more comprehensive is the information received from each cell. This cytometer was custom-made. It has 6 laser beams and can analyze cells based on 21 parameters. Today, thanks to this equipment, researchers are leading 6 projects. One of them is the study of the ecology of Shchutinsk-Borovsk zone. This is one of the most popular resorts of Kazakhstan. For ecological monitoring, specialists are using phytoplankton from the local lakes. Phytoplankton is an indicator of the state of the environment and of the aquatic ecosystem. We're trying to work out a methodology for the analysis of plankton with the use of flow cytometry. In case of pollution, some types of plankton grow more rapidly and other types less. This is used as an indicator of the change in the ecology. Traditionally obtained samples of phytoplankton are studied with the use of simple microscopes. This is quite a lengthy and laborious task. Flow cytometry gives results about the activity and state of microorganisms almost immediately. When you get the sample population of phytoplankton on the screen, you can see various different plankton populations, which differ in terms of size and fluorescence. Later, we can characterize and sort them out according to the population that they belong to and identify them in terms of type with the aid of the microscope. Having determined the population size, scientists can draw conclusions about the ecological situation. This project is being realized in Kazakhstan for the first time. With the obtained experience, scientists are planning to apply this method of environmental assessment to analyze the Balkhash Lake. The enrichment process, one of the most important links between extraction and use of mineral resources. It allows to substantially increase the concentration of valuable components. Modern science is searching for ways of increasing the share of extracted resources and at the same time of decreasing expenditures. In order to obtain a specific metal, it has to be separated from the Earth's formation. For this, first the concentration of valuable components in the ore is increased. This process is called enrichment. It consists of a number of stages. Kazakhstani scientists are searching for new approaches to optimize this process as much as it is possible. One of the main approaches is the creation of flotation agents and modifiers, which would improve enrichment of ore, or for example, of non-ferrous metals. Flotation agents are special chemical compounds. There's a great variety of them, and each one has their own application. For example, some are used in the formation of a valuable concentrate, some gather valuable components from this foam, and some allow to extract one specific type of metal from a number of other metals. The uniqueness is in the fact that each agent is used for the one concrete task. We thought, isn't it possible to create one agent which would have foam-forming properties as well as collecting properties? This is how we came up with this agent. It is a 100% substitute for the foam-forming agent, and for now, a 40% substitute for the collecting agent. Another goal is to decrease the use of reacting agents per ton of ore. For example, a compound such as zinc sulfide is very difficult to extract. That is why an activating reacting agent is added. Usually it is used in the proportion of 1 kilogram per 1 ton of ore. But Kazakhstani scientists were able to develop a more efficient analog of this activating agent on the basis of nano-sized particles. First of all, instead of 1 kilogram, only 15 to 20 grams are used. Secondly, this agent does not participate in reactions of secondary processes. Kazakhstani scientists have sent the developed reacting agents for industrial testing. They are to become a cost-efficient alternative to the currently used agents. Kumis, a traditional drink of the nomads. It is made out of horse milk and is known for its medicinal properties. Regular intake of this drink is a great way to ward off many serious diseases. But the problem is that kumis goes bad very quickly and hence loses its beneficial properties. The resolution of this problem will make this unique beverage more available and popular. Zulkharnay Seitov, a veteran of the Second World War, holds a doctorate degree in biology, an inventor, and an honored scientist of Kazakhstan. A significant share of the scientific studies of Zulkharnay Seitov are dedicated to the study of national fermented dairy products. For the first time in Kazakhstan, he has proposed new biotechnologies for the production of kumis and shubat. The medicinal properties of these drinks, made from horse and camel milk, today are known across the world. Kumis spoils quite fast. That is why Dr. Seitov has dedicated one of his research endeavors to developing a method for long-term storage of this drink. The solution was found in freeze-drying, or lyophilization. Under this method, liquid kumis is subjected to deep freezing. The water that is contained in the kumis is pumped out in the form of separate molecules in a vacuum. As a result, what's left is a dry powder which preserves the initial beneficial properties of kumis. It can be preserved, mixed with water, and drank anytime and anywhere. This is a unique, healing, and healthy product. Another invention of the Kazakhstani scientist is a method for liquid conservation. It allows to preserve the drink in a glass container for up to 12 months. The secret lies in the lactate, the lactic acid which is exuded from the milk as a result of fermentation. With the normal concentration of this acid, bacterial growth is stymied, and kumis preserves its beneficial properties. The right concentration has to be established, not too much and not too little. The right level of concentration is established with the use of a device called pH meter. At the turn of last century, Japanese entrepreneurs offered to buy the patent for this technology for a large sum. However, Zulkharnay Seitov turned the offer down, wanting to implement it in Kazakhstan. Today, the production of this drink with the use of his technology is ready to be launched at one of Kazakhstan's horse breeding farms. Talk of the dawn of the era of personalized medicine can be heard more often. This is happening at the backdrop of scientifically proven facts that the health of each person is just as unique as their personality. This branch of science is developing quite rapidly, generating a variety of methods and inventions. More on this in our next program. Discover infinite science with us. Until next time.